Hello guys, welcome back to Content Diver YouTube channel. Today our topic is types of machine learning algorithms. This is the second video in our machine learning playlist and please do subscribe and share to your friends and let's get started. Here the types of machine learning algorithms means first one is supervised learning, unsupervised learning and the reinforcement learning. Let us start the supervised learning now. Supervised learning, it is a method in which we teach the machine using labeled data. That is, it is supervised by someone. Here there will be a mentor to train the machine that is supervised by someone, and we use only the labeled data in supervised learning. And under the supervised learning, we have two types, that is classification and regression. The classification definition, that is, if the labeled data is categorical, the model is known as classification. The categorical means the data is in the string format, the textual format that is known as the categorical data. And regression definition. That is, if the label is numerical, the model is known as regression. The numeric data comes under the regression. These are the types of supervised learning. And simply we can say that the supervised learning is a learning where the machine learns by using a mentor and also the data we use is labeled data. And next one is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning technique can be applied without having the data labeled for training. Here, there is no necessity of using the labeled data, it uses the unlabeled data. And we have types of unsupervised learning, that is dimensionality reduction and clustering. In dimensionality reduction, it refers to the techniques that reduce the number of input variables in the dataset. By using this, the number of input variables are reduced and then the machine performance will be increased and the number of input variables will be decreased so that the training will be completed faster. These are the advantages in dimensionality reduction. And the clustering. Clustering is a task of dividing the population or data points into a number of groups. There will be large data set and the data will be divided into the number of groups. This is known as clustering. And this is about the unsupervised learning. Here there is no mentor, we should learn by itself. And next here we can see the example of supervised and unsupervised learning. Initially the machine thinks of it is a banana, already the machine is trained, and then it says apple, then it is correct. And in unsupervised learning, here we can see that there is no training, then there is no particular mentor, it should divide itself on own. There are many different types of here only two types, but in the data set given there will be many uh, types of data. Here it divides the types of data based on its color, size, and weight. So these are the features of a particular data, and based on that, it divides our data of inside the data set. It is known as the unsupervised learning. And next, the comparison of supervised and unsupervised learning. Here the parameters are dataset, methods of learning, complexity, accuracy. Dataset. The dataset that we use in supervised and unsupervised are in supervised we use labeled dataset that we have discussed before, and unsupervised we use unlabeled dataset. Method of learning, guided learning, and unsupervised learning. The algorithm learns by itself using dataset. That means here there is no mentor. Complexity, it is a simpler because there is a mentor and it can learn easily, and computationally complex in unsupervised because there is no mentor, it should learn itself. And the accuracy, more accurate, already it is trained so it gives more accurate decisions and it gives less accurate. And the third one is reinforcement learning. In this reinforcement learning, the agent interacts with its environment by producing actions and discover errors on rewards. That means here in reinforcement learning, while performing, there may be errors and it learns from the mistakes. It may done some mistakes and it learns from mistakes. The best example for the reinforcement learning is a machine learns how to play chess. That's all about the types of machine learning algorithms. Please do subscribe. And if you have any doubts, please post in the comment section. Thank you.